Hi everyone, this is Paola, Software Product Manager in Advantech, and today I want to show you the newest features of the DLT-V73A. The DLT-V73A is now supporting the newest version of Android, Android 12, and not only, it's also GMS certified and Android Enterprise recommended. What does it mean? Let's discover together. In this video, we will cover several topics. The first one will be talking about different kinds of images that we can offer you now. And not only, we introduce also the GMS certification and Android Enterprise recommended certifications. And we are going into details about which kind of categories we have about security updates. And also we will have a release overview about what we already released in this year. And at the end, we will show you a real-life demo about GOTA. As I told you, now we can offer you not only the non-GMS image that allows you to run Android simply in your own devices, but also now we can offer you the GMS image. This kind of image got the GMS certifications. What does it mean? So when you get these kind of certifications, you are allowed to use any kind of Google applications. When you think about Google, you think immediately about Gmail, YouTube, Google Maps. You can use them easily without any kind of technical limitations. And now, not only, we have also the Android Enterprise recommended certifications. So what does it mean? Google created some years ago a business program to select the best technologies in the market. In order to be a part of this program, you have to meet very high and strict requirements from software and hardware point of view. And indeed, our DLT-V73A met these strict requirements. When we talk about security, durability, and productivity, the DLT-V73A is selected by Google. And particularly, the topic that really we care about that is the security. Indeed, in order to be a part of this business program, you have to keep secure your DLT against any kind of virus and malware. The process to keep your DLT secure is very simple. We release every 3 months a security update. There are 2 different categories of security updates, SMR and MR. The first one is SMR, that stands for Security Maintenance Release, and includes bugs fixing. In this way, you can keep secure your DLT against any kind of virus, malware, or cyber attack. But not only, Advantech is committing to give you maintenance release. MR stands for maintenance release. That includes, of course, bugs fixing, but also new software utilities based on your needs, based on your request. And now I want to introduce what we already done during this year when we talk about security updates. And indeed, in the Q1, we released a maintenance release that includes an announcement of mDevice. mDevice is a software utility to easily configure your DLT. You can check the status of your DLT thanks to mDevice. You can set radio communications, you can set power settings easily. And indeed, we announced the radio communications introducing the advanced tool called IT Command Terminal. And also we improved the power settings introducing the ignition. In Q2 of this year, we had another maintenance release. In this maintenance release, we introduced SOTI. So now we are totally SOTI certified. And not only, we introduced a new kind of update. So you can have a local update, just going to the website and downloading images and using them to update your Android images. But also you can have GOTA. GOTA stands for Google Over the Air. And this is an automatic process to update your Android image easily. Just click in 10 minutes and you can have your new Android image. In the Q3, we had another maintenance release. In this maintenance release, we introduced device on with new functionalities, and also, as I told you, we had new software utilities, mBlank and mWedge. mBlank and mWedge are a part of a suite completely developed for our DLT-V73A. Specifically, when we talk about mBlank, is an important software utility to improve the security of your workers. When you think about workers that are driving forklift, they have to be away from any kind of distractions. Thanks to mBlank, you can blank immediately your screen and you can avoid any kind of distractions. But not only, we have also mWedge. mWedge is a software utility to transfer scanner data into your DLT using COM1 serial port. So now we are starting to discover together how to use GOTA. First of all, make sure that you have the internet connection. And now you can see the icon that is a pop-up notifications. This notification means that you can download your new image. Just scroll down the screen. As you can see here, it's written Security Update Available. Click on that. Clicking on that, you go immediately to the page that allows you to see what is ready and new in your Android image. Click on Download and Install. Wait for 5 minutes and the image will be updated automatically. First of all, you can say in the message that you have the software version. This information is important to understand which kind of maintenance release you are installing. In this case, we are updating our image from MR2, the quarter 2, to MR3, to the quarter 3. Indeed, as you can see now, you can read MR003. As I told you previously, in MR3, we will have the maintenance release that includes SOTI, mBlank, and mWedge. And in this page, you can have an overview about what is included in your maintenance release. And now, as you can see, finally, we get into the conclusion of the update. Click on Restart Now. Now the system is rebooting. We can see directly if the image is successfully updated. Going to Settings, System Update, and here you can see your device has received a custom update. Update is successfully completed. Your system is now updated. In the quarter 4, we will have the last maintenance release of this year. In this maintenance release, I introduced to you the mFocus Kiosk mode that contains Advantech Launcher. mFocus Kiosk mode is a software utility used from administrators. Thanks to this software utility, the administrator can select which kind of applications are allowed to use from end user. The result is to have a customizable desktop with only the applications selected by administrators. And this way, the end user is completely away from any kind of unwanted applications and websites. mFocus contains a configurator and a launcher. With the configurator, the administrator can choose the applications to have in the kiosk mode. But not only, you have also the Advantech Launcher to easily launch the desktop and to easily launch the kiosk mode. And for the next year, no worries, we will have other security updates. And also we will launch Android 14. So our DLT-V73A will be upgradable to Android 14. I'm really super excited about this new product. So if you have any projects, or if you need product information, or if you need technical support, please contact us. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.